Hello everybody, how are you? I'm fine, how about you? So today we are going to continue with the part 2 of the multipurpose calculator. So we left at this Celsius to Fahrenheit and pounds to kilogram. So let's give design Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so basically it will be we can just add some buttons and all. Buttons, we can just add a label and one more label. Let's do that. First, let's click on design. Add two buttons, which will be home and calculate. Okay. Home. This will be home button. Home. C2F. Home C2F. Or let's write home Celsius to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Yeah, home Celsius to Fahrenheit. Home. And we will add button go Celsius to Fahrenheit. That will be good. Why can't you do go? This will be good. Now we will add two labels on the top. Okay, you will add two labels which will be exactly opposite, exactly adjacent. So what's the trick for doing this? I will tell you. So what we can do, we can make the x position and we can change the y position and x position. The x position should be 130 and the y position should be 30. Y position should be 35. This y position, let's do it here in the between, in the middle. Y position 110. It should be 110. No, let's do it 100. Let's do it 90. 90 is too close. 50. Let's do it a bit here. And this also here. Now let's do it this much. And this also like this only. Now let's name it. For this, there's no need to name. F, and there I don't know where the dot is. So let's search Fahrenheit. You just search Fahrenheit, and I think it will show it. Where is Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit to Celsius. This dot, we need this dot. Control C. You just go to any site and take this also, but I'm taking from anything like Celsius to Fahrenheit. You have to copy the thing which it will show. Let's do it a little here, and we can just make it big. Then we can increase the font size. Yes. Now font size is 51. This should also be 51. It should be, I think, 42 will be fine. No, 42 will be big. I think then 30 will be fine. No, 30 will also be big. 12, yeah, but 12 will be small, so we'll do it with 20. And if I will write a big 90 here, and it will come, this much will come. I think a 6-digit number can come here. So now let's name it as it's Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, um, let's name it label Celsius to Fahrenheit output. And now let's now add let's add a text input. Yeah, text input will do the work, I think. Text input will be good. Text input can only do the work. Text input Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit, we'll do it in the middle. This also, we'll do it in the sides. We'll write Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we will write in the front of it GIF. What's this? No, this is not good. This is not good. I think this will be good. I think this is an image only. So I think this will be okay. Copy image address and now paste it here. Text color, we will change text color. We will do it this, and this also we will change the text color this. Now this is done. Now let's do the next screen, which is I think pounds to kilogram. Now in pounds to kilogram we have to add two labels, and let's add two labels. Two labels please. And this, then we will add then we will just write kg here, kg, and here we will name it as output kg result. Yeah, good. We will make it empty. Let's search this weighing machine GIF. What's this? What's this happening? Is this good? This is good. Copy image address. Sorry. And we will just put it here. Oh. No, that's not working. Let's make it plain only. This is home kg pound to kg, home pound to kg, and we will write here home. This will be go pound to kg, and we will write here go. And now we have to give the code. Okay, so now let's go to code section. Oh wait, we are missing one thing. We have to add a text input. Yeah, kg pound text input. Now we have to give the code. Let's go and give the code. So first, let's give the code for. Let's give the code for. Pounds to kg. Okay, you'll give the code for pounds to kg. Pounds to kg. So we have to go to Dr. Ken. Welcome, Dr. Ken. First, let's give the code for these things. Let's give the code for these things. Yeah. So let's add on event pounds to some pounds to something. Pounds to kilogram. Click. Set screen to pounds to kilogram. On event, now we have to give this one. We have to give the code for the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. On event, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit, yeah. Celsius to Fahrenheit. Click. Set screen to Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to, yeah, sorry, I just paused the video. There was some problem here. So now Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now let's check if it's working. Doctor can log in here. Doctor can go. Pounds to kilogram. Home I've not given. So now let's give the code for home thing. Let's go to Dr. Ken. Sorry, pounds to kilogram. Home. That's where is home now. Oh, it's home to pounds to kilogram. It might be in the starting, I think. Home. Baby's home. Wait, let's check. What's the home pound to kg? Okay. Control F, home. Yeah, it's here. No. Home pound. Oh my god. Home pound to kg. Why that's saying a saving project? It looks like we didn't make sure I haven't tried running project again to save it. Okay, let's check. Please wait. I saved it. I have saved it now. Yeah. Home pound to kg. Click. Set screen to login screen. Let's do this. Control CV. And now let's search home again. Home Celsius, no. Home Celsius to Fahrenheit. Login screen. Yeah, now this is good. Now let's check. Can log in here. Doctor can go. Oh, Sorry. Looks like a professional application, I think. Doctor Ken. Sorry. Go. Pounds to kilogram conversion home. Doctor can log in here. Go. Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Go will not work. Home. Yeah. Will not work because I'm not given the all the things for that. Now we need to give the code for those screens, the main screens. Let's go to Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now you will need to wait because I need to find the formulas, okay? Okay, so please wait for a second. So first, let's give the code for Celsius to Fahrenheit. So for Celsius to Fahrenheit, I think we will need to multiply it by 9 by 5 plus 332. So what's the button of go? This is button go. It's button go what? Go Celsius to Fahrenheit. You'll take on event. On event. Button go. Go Celsius to Fahrenheit. Click. We need to. Okay, set text. We have to set text. Okay, so we set text block. We'll take the set text block. And what's this? Let's see. It's Celsius to Fahrenheit output thing. Set text. Celsius to Fahrenheit output. Now we have to take. I think we will have to take a block. And from maths, you'll need to take the plus block. Plus block will be good. Plus block can do the work, I think. And it is like a good block. You can say it's a good block. It's very useful. These math operations are very useful. So now we will take the get text one. Sorry, multiplication. Now we'll take get text. Get text, get text, get text, get text, get text. Get text, text input one. Text input, what was the name? What's this? Text input, text input something. Text input Celsius to Fahrenheit. Multiplied by, I think it is 9 by 2? 9 by 5. So you'll go, oh. There's a problem with this, that if there is any block occurring, if you scroll here, you will not be able to choose a block. Look, it will take you there, and you will not be able to change the thing. Look, you're not able to change the block section. So we'll take this thing without wasting any time. Let's go here, man. Please, let's do this. Please wait. I'll adjust, and we will do 9 by 5 plus 32. Let's check. Doctor can log in here. Oh my god, that's not fair. You will need to view it in a new tab. Let's go. Doctor can log in here. Okay, password is Dr. Ken. Oh. Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. If I will write 89 Say, let me write 23. Say something. Yeah, it's working according to me. But let's first do a little bit touch-ups. So let's go to Celsius to Fahrenheit and increase the label size. We will make it here, and we will just increase the size of this. Where was it? This much. This is good. Now let's share it and check if it's fine. Look, for making an app as an app developer, you need to check every single thing. Because those advanced games like this Free Fire things, the app developers check it a lot of times, and this is such a small app, and think those graphics, it would be so difficult to make that app in these basic platforms. Oh, 73.4, right, 1000. Where will it go? Oh yeah, if I light this much will not go there. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, site 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now let's check here. It's Celsius to Fahrenheit. CS to Fahrenheit. We have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. My God, it's good. Now let's do for the dating. What you say? Pounds to kilogram. For pounds to kilogram, we will need to take the orange block first. Sorry, take the orange block first. Orange. Button go pounds to kg. Click. Click. Set text. Set text. What's the name? Wait, let me check. Output kg result. Okay, it's output kg result. Output kg result. Output kg result. Okay. Output kg result. Now we will take the slash block or the division block. It's a division operator. Get text from text input. Which text input is this? Kg pound. Get text from kg pound something. Kg pound. Where is kg pound now? It should be somewhere here. Kg pound text input. It should be divided by 2.20. 2.20. Yay! I think now it's done, but we have 2 more sections to go. And it's like 24 minutes, but still, I will pause the video for a second, and I'm continuing on this part only. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so I've got it. Now we have to do for Mrs. Asia. Mrs. Asia. So now let's start. Let's add the Mrs. Asia login screen. Let's first go to login screen, and then let's add a new screen. Let's go to design and add a new screen. Named. Why is it not working? Please work. Please work. It hangs. Good. Let's share it. Let's share it. Control C. And now let's paste it. Enter. Let's close this. Let's close this. View code. Yeah. Let's go to design. Now let's go to screen 1. We'll name it as Mrs. Ada login screen. We says the doctor can login screen as Dr. Ken, please enter your password. So we will do this like that only. Mrs. Aja login screen. We'll name it Mrs. Aja, please enter your password. Okay, now let's do the text alignment center. Center. Sorry, not password. Oh no, that's not good. 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 Sorry. Yeah, now let's continue. Let's add one more label. Password is. Look, I need to disclose the password. Password is Mrs. Ada. Password is Mrs. Ada. Let's do it in the side. Let's add text input. Let's add 2 buttons. Go Mrs. Ada login screen. Oh, and this will be back Mrs. Ada login screen. Back. And this will be text input Mrs. Ada password. Oh, that's good. We did it. Now one more screen. Welcome Mrs. Ada 1. Welcome Mrs. Ada. Now let's add a text input. Welcome Mrs. Ada. Start your journey. Start your adventure. Let's start adventure. Start your adventure by choosing a journey from below. Next alignment, center. And let's do one more thing. This app will simplify your life. Good. Now let's add 2 buttons. There are 2 journeys, so you'll add 2 buttons. 2 buttons. 2 buttons. Yeah. And what are the options? Pounds to kilograms. Okay, so they only want. Okay, so it'll be good. Yeah, it's all good. And me just defeat. Okay, all is scheduled. Miss Ada pounds to kilogram. Pounds to kilogram. Weight conversion. Weight conversion. Now it's one more once. Meters to feet. Distance conversion. Meters to feet. Let's write Ada only. Ada. Meters to feet. Feet. Distance conversion. Distance conversion. Sorry, not distance. Distance conversion. Sorry, I'm very sorry that I wrote wrong. But please, please forgive me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry I wrote wrong. Oh no, no matter. You can continue. Thank you. Hee. Now we need to add a back button. Back, Ada, welcome. Back. Now we need to add the meters to feet only because pounds to kilogram is already there. We will add meters to feet. Feet. Meters to feet. We will add two labels. I'm making it simple, but I'm making it simple because it's way too long. Okay, that's why I'm making it simple. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Feet to be empty. Feet output. Empty. You make it big. 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 Biggie! So, now let's add a text input. And we'll add a placeholder. This one. Type meters here. Text input. Meter to feet. What's this? Have I named this? Yeah, feet output. Now we'll add two buttons, back and go. This will be go button. Go meter to feet. Go. And this will be back meters to feet. Back. Now let's do it here. Now we need to. This is done for Mrs. Asia. We need to get the code. Okay. Everything will be good. So we will add an if condition. First, let's give this for Mrs. Asia login screen. No, we need to go to the login screen. On event, Mrs. Asia login click. Where is Mrs. Asia? Mrs. Asia login click. We have to set screen. It will be the ending. Set screen to what? Why is it not showing? Okay, yeah, sorry. Welcome, Mrs. Asia login screen. Now, hopefully it will work. Now, on event, wait, let me check. On event, go Mrs. Ada. Let me search. Go MR. Go Mrs. Ada. Wait, what's this? Yeah, go Mrs. Ada login screen. Click. You will add a if condition. If get text, we have to add an equals to operator. If get text from text input, Control F text input. Text input Mrs. Ada password. Wait, let me check. Let's check. It highlights everything. Yeah, equals to I'll need to remove this first. Equals to Mrs. Ada text from text. We will need to do this again. Text input Mrs. Ada password. Set screen to welcome Mrs. Ada or set screen to wrong password. Yes, good. Now we need to give the code for these back. I think we have not given the code for the back. On event to search back Mrs. Ada login screen, click set screen to login screen. Yeah, that's good. Now we need to go to welcome Mrs. Asia. We will take the on event block. On event what's this? Back Asia. Something like back Ada. Back Ada welcome click. Set screen to login screen. Let's take the ornament block. So much. How many lines do you have to write? Mr. Ornament. Mrs. This is Ada. Pounds to kilogram. Click. Why is not getting clicked? Control C. And now I will type it here. Control V. Click. Set screen. Set screen. Pounds to kilogram. This is a. Now we will search meters. Meters to feet data. Set screen to meters to feet. Wait, let me check. Meters to feet data. It's meters to feet data. Feet data only. Now let's go to meters to feet. And now let's give the code for the back button and we'll give it for the go button. On event, it's back meter. Sorry, not Mac. Back meter to feet. Click. Set screen. Topmost login screen. Yeah, man. Sorry. Yeah. What's this? Oh, sorry. That's just the one thing. Now let me just pause the video for a second. So now we need to give the code for these back meet for this meters to feet. So I am going to show you how to code it. So we have to first take the on orange block. On orange block. On event, this is go meter to feet. Go meter to feet. Click. Set text feet output. I will set text feet output. Just give a second, I will find out the formula and I will tell it to you. So it should be multiplied by 3.28. Okay, so set text, take the multiply operator. So now yeah, should be multiplied by 3.28 and get text from text input something. Okay, text input. No, it's not this. It's text input. No, it's meters to feet, I think. Meters to feet. Yeah, I think this is it only. Mrs. Ada. Go. Is password wrong? It should be Mrs. Ada. Mrs. Ada. Oh, password is wrong. Let's check it and then new tab. Control C, Control V, enter. Mrs. Ada. You will write Mrs. Ada, go. Password is wrong. Why is the password wrong? Why is the password wrong? Let's check. Where is Mrs. Ada login screen now? Oh, I think I've not added the screen. No. Ada login screen. Yeah. So the password is Mrs. Ada and I've put Mrs. Ada only. Let me go and remove these. Will it accept it? Oh, it will not. So what's the problem? It's the same only. Now let me try. Share. Control C. Control V, enter. This is Ada. Oh, yeah, now it's working. Pounds to kilogram. 89, go, 4 kg. Home, Mrs. Ada, login here, go. Meters to feet, 89, go, 0 feet. Okay, let's write 1000, go. Should be multiplied by 3.28. Meters to feet. Text input, meter to feet. Oh, this is the problem. Meter to feet. Let's save it and check. Data. Oh, meters to feet, 90. Oh, yeah, okay. 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Okay, so basically feet is less than meter. Okay, got it. Now we have to get for Jacob. Jacob, okay. Jacob it will be too long if I give it for Jacob. So I will make part 3. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Until then, this is Summit Pencil signing out, just zooming out. Like, share, subscribe, and meet you in the next video. But if you have any queries, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Goodbye.